Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Knowledge Your Health, your sanctuary for all things wellness. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. At knowledgeyourhealth.com, we're passionate about empowering you to live your healthiest, happiest life. Our website is filled with resources, tips, and guides to help you achieve your wellness goals, whether it's through yoga, meditation, nutrition, or holistic health practices. We believe that true well-being starts from within, and we're here to guide you on your journey. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to cultivate a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle.
Today, we're diving into the invigorating world of morning yoga. Morning yoga is a wonderful way to start your day with intention and positivity. It helps to awaken your body, clear your mind, and set a peaceful tone for the rest of the day. Are you ready to awaken your body and mind with a gentle yet powerful flow? This routine will guide you through a series of poses designed to stretch and strengthen your muscles, improve your flexibility, and boost your energy levels. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a curious beginner, this routine is designed to energize your day and leave you feeling amazing. Our step-by-step instructions will ensure that you can follow along easily, no matter your experience level. So grab your mat, find a comfortable spot, and let's embark on this journey of self-care and vitality together. Make sure your space is quiet and free from distractions so you can fully immerse yourself in the practice. Remember, every step you take towards your well-being is a victory worth celebrating. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward with confidence and joy. We're here to support you every step of the way. Imagine this: the sun gently peeks over the horizon, casting a warm glow on a brand new day. The sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, and the world is just beginning to wake up. It's a moment of pure tranquility, a perfect backdrop for starting your day with mindfulness and intention. Instead of hitting the snooze button, you unroll your mat and greet the morning with intention. You take a deep breath, feeling the cool morning air fill your lungs, and you prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. That's the magic of morning yoga. It's a practice that awakens not just your body, but also your mind and spirit. As the sun rises, so do you, embracing the new day with a sense of purpose and clarity. Morning yoga is like a gift you give yourself, a chance to connect with your breath, move your body with purpose, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Each pose, each stretch, is a step towards a more balanced and centered you. It's not about being a yoga expert, it's about showing up for yourself and honoring your well-being. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, the practice is about finding what feels good for you and embracing it fully.
As you flow through these poses, pay attention to how your body feels. Listen to your breath. Notice the sensations in your muscles, the rhythm of your heartbeat, and the calmness that begins to settle in your mind. Be present in each moment and let go of any expectations. This is your time to connect with yourself on a deeper level, to find stillness amidst the chaos, and to cultivate a sense of inner peace. This is your time to shine. Embrace the morning, embrace the practice, and let the positive energy flow through you, setting the stage for a beautiful and fulfilling day ahead.
Before we begin, let's create a serene space for our practice. Find a quiet corner in your home where you can move freely without distractions. Roll out your mat and gather any props you might need, like a blanket or a pillow for extra support. Soft, natural light can enhance your practice, so open a window if possible and let the fresh air in. If you'd like, you can light a candle or diffuse essential oils to create a calming ambience. Remember, this is your time to connect with yourself, so make it as inviting and comfortable as possible. Let's create a sanctuary for your mind, body, and soul. Our journey begins with mountain pose, a foundational posture that helps us find grounding and stability. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Feel the weight of your body evenly distributed on all four corners of your feet. Engage your leg muscles gently, lifting your kneecaps. Lengthen your spine, reaching the crown of your head towards the sky. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and let your arms hang naturally by your sides.
Close your eyes if you feel comfortable and take a few deep breaths. Inhale, feeling your chest expand, and exhale, releasing any tension. Visualize yourself as a tree with roots extending deep into the earth. Feel the stability and strength as you ground your energy. Let the serene and tranquil surroundings envelop you, bringing focus and calmness to your practice.
Section 1. Upward Salute, or Urdhva Hastasana, also known as reaching for the sky.
From mountain pose, inhale deeply and sweep your arms up overhead, palms facing each other. Reach through your fingertips, feeling a gentle stretch along your sides and chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your gaze softly upwards. Imagine you're drawing energy up from the earth and sending it all the way to your fingertips. Feel the invigorating stretch in your spine and the openness in your heart as you reach towards the sky. Hold the pose for a few breaths, feeling the energy flow through your body. As you exhale, slowly lower your arms back down to your sides, returning to mountain pose.
Section 2. Forward Fold, or Uttanasana, also known as releasing tension. This pose is a fundamental part of many yoga practices and is excellent for calming the mind and stretching the body.
From mountain pose, take a deep inhale to lengthen your spine. Feel the breath travel through your body, creating space and openness. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back as straight as possible. Imagine your torso as a solid plank, moving in one piece. Let your head hang heavy, releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of your head gently pulling your spine into a deeper stretch. Allow your fingertips to graze the floor or rest on your shins, depending on your flexibility. It's important to listen to your body and not push beyond your limits. Feel a gentle stretch in the back of your legs and your spine. This stretch helps to release tightness and improve flexibility over time. With each exhale, surrender a little deeper into the pose. Use your breath as a guide, allowing it to help you find more depth and relaxation. Stay in forward fold for a few breaths, allowing your spine to lengthen and your mind to quiet down. This moment of stillness can be very meditative and grounding. As you inhale, slowly rise back up to standing, stacking your vertebrae one by one. Feel each vertebra align, bringing you back to an upright position with a sense of renewed energy and calm. Section 3. Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Energizing the Body. From forward fold, step your feet back to create an inverted V shape with your body. Your hands should be shoulder width apart, fingers spread wide, and your feet hip width apart. Press firmly through your palms and lift your hips high towards the ceiling. Keep a slight bend in your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. Lengthen your spine and draw your chest towards your thighs. Relax your head and neck, letting your gaze fall between your feet. Hold downward facing dog for several breaths, feeling the invigorating stretch in your entire body. This pose helps to strengthen your arms, legs, and core, while also calming the mind and relieving stress. Section 4. Child's Pose, Balasana, Finding Rest. From downward facing dog, bring your knees to your chest and rest your hips back on your heels. Lower your forehead to the mat and extend your arms forward, palms facing down. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and close your eyes. Child's pose is a restful posture that allows you to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Feel the gentle stretch in your hips and back as you surrender to the support of the earth. Stay in child's pose for as long as you like, allowing your breath to guide you. When you're ready, gently press your hands into the mat and slowly rise back up to a seated position.
Section 5. Sharing your yoga journey. Congratulations on completing this energizing morning yoga routine. How do you feel? More awake, more grounded, more at ease?
We'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts, insights, and any questions you may have in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn and grow together on our wellness journeys.
Remember, every day is a new opportunity to nurture your well-being. Make time for yourself, move with intention, and embrace the transformative power of yoga.
Section 6. Embrace the power of morning yoga. Incorporating even a short yoga practice into your morning routine can have a profound impact on your day. It's a chance to connect with your body, quiet your mind, and set a positive intention for the hours ahead.
As you continue your yoga journey, remember to be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and celebrate every step of progress. Every time you step on your mat, you're choosing to prioritize your well-being, and that's a beautiful thing.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Here's to a day filled with energy, joy, and mindful movement. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of yoga together.